Thank you. What has been your biggest disappointment in life?
Ano raw ang pinakamalaki mong disappointment sa buhay?
Unang-una, ang aking disappointed sa buhay ay yung hindi ko pagalang sa magulang ko. At ngayon pinagsisisihan ko ito dahil isang malaking bagay mahalin natin ang ating magulang dahil siya ang pangalawang utos ng Diyos para sa akin, mga Katoliko. Yun lang po at maraming salamat.
I think for me, it's about not giving love, showing love to my parents. And now what I'm doing, I'm trying to show how much I love my parents. And that's one of that we can find in the Bible as given by God. Thank you.